Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. So let me show you the steps you can follow. So the first one is last seen on online status. So when you are blocked, you can no longer see the contact's last seen timestamp or their online status on the chat window. The second one is message check marks. So in a normal conversation, messages show two blue check marks when they delivered and read. And if blocked, messages will only show on one gray check mark indicating they were sent but not delivered. And the last but not the least is if you try to add contact to a new group, they won't appear in the participant list or you will see an error message. So yeah, these are the three ways you can know how your WhatsApp that someone have blocked you. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you in the next video.